Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I have made moong sprouts and Thali Peeth Bhajni Dosa. For that I have taken moong sprouts, sprouted moong. You can take any amount, 1 cup. I have taken 1 cup and a quarter cup of this Thali Peeth Bhajni. You get ready-made this. Grind the moong sprouts and the Thali Peeth Bhajni with little water along with ginger, garlic and green chilli, cumin seeds and black pepper, salt. Make it to a dosa consistency, and I have added chopped onion and chopped methi in this and made the dosa. You can serve this along with curd, green chutney. It's a really healthy and tasty dosa. You can serve it with coconut chutney also, as you wish. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.